What's up, everybody? It's your friend Ricky J. Alvarez here, Ricky the Realtor with Boulevard Real Estate and Alvarez and Associates. And thank you so much. Welcome back. Appreciate everyone supporting us, tuning in to Raw and Uncut Real Estate. Now this is episode number 51. So episode number 51. Thanks so much again, guys. We appreciate all of your love and support. And today, unfortunately, we're talking on a very sensitive topic, and our heart and prayers go out to all of those that are countries that are involved in the war that's going on between Russia and Ukraine, all the folks who are there in Ukraine and Russia and surrounding areas who are affected by the war. But ultimately, our hearts and prayers go out to them. And the reason why we're making this video, everybody, the reason why we want to talk about this topic is because it's been in the news. It's very relevant. A lot of questions have come about what is this going to do to the housing market? Is the market going to crash? Are interest rates going down? Are they going up? What essentially is going to happen? So first and foremost, hearts and prayers go out to everyone affected. So just want to give a little moment of silence there. But just to be very real with you, be very honest and transparent, we unfortunately don't know what's going to happen. Time will tell how markets will respond. As you probably have seen markets rate, the stock market has done terribly. Stocks have gone down, stuff has been affected, obviously. So we just don't know how the real estate market's going to respond. I can tell you that the folks around me are still very confident in purchasing, still on path to sell their homes. A lot of people have goals that they'd like to achieve. And so unfortunately, I can't give too much insight as to what will happen in the near future. Time will tell, as I have said. So the best thing to do is just be very prepared, be honest, open, and transparent with your realtor, with your lenders. Be very just conscious of what's going on around you. And ultimately, we are still going to need a place to live. We're still going to need to buy or sell a home. We're still going to need to do these things, but we just don't know how consumers will respond. So the best thing we can advise you to do is just be very transparent, be very open, communicating with your lender, with your realtor, to understand what's going on, how things are changing day by day, just so you can be prepared. So ultimately, we want to just be here for you, let you know that we appreciate all of you very much. We've been through a lot these last couple of years, and now once again, we are coming to cross paths of things that are hard to comprehend and understand, as far as what is really going on, the motives behind everything, and it's just too complex for us to understand. So ultimately, we will monitor the situation as we proceed here in the future as things develop. So ultimately, just be very conscious of the situation. Like I said, stay in communication with those around you, those who are on your side, on your team. And like I said, our hearts and prayers go out to everyone affected. So stay tuned for more. We will keep you updated as the market changes. Everything still looks to be moving in the same direction. Nothing really has changed too much, other than rates have continued to trend upward lately, as we've been talking about in our last few episodes. So just stay very in tune with everything, stay, just so you can be prepared to move in any which way direction. So once again, thank you so much for tuning in. It's our pleasure to serve you. If there's anything we can ever do for you, don't hesitate to reach out, and we're happy to help. So once again, take care. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best. And we're always here to help you and guide you on the path to home ownership, and to help you sell your home, invest in any capacity in real estate. Our team is always here and available to help you. So don't hesitate to reach out. It was a pleasure once again. Have a great one, and talk to you very soon. Take care.